Hi, Jacques. Hi, Nicholas. Jacques? Nicholas? Can you turn the music down a little? I suppose the music is coming from somewhere else. Wow, the ducklings have started a band. And they're good. I think they have a very bright future. Listen, and how about going on a tour with them? Well, did you decide on a vehicle? A minivan. Yeah, it's comfortable. Let's go. And here's your tour bus. Guys, get inside. Perfect. It looks like everyone fit in. Let's start our tour then? Did you forget something? Oh yeah, the instruments. Well, there's not enough space after all. Jacques, Nicholas, we'll have to take a bigger vehicle. What will your suggestions be this time? Not bad. It should hold both musicians and the instruments. Yep, now anyone can tell that this is a musician's bus. Do you like it, Jacques? You think this kind of bus is not fitting for the music the ducklings play? Well, what are your suggestions? A truck? Looks impressive, but it lacks something. Great! It's a true rockmobile now. We can start the tour. It looks like a city ahead. Okay, guys, let's rock! It's so quiet here. We'll have to do our best to wake this city up. Wow, Jacques, that's quite an appearance. Ducklings, knock 'em dead. Oh no, the string broke on it. Oh no, the string broke on a guitar. Yeah, the concert is pretty much over. Did you come all this way for nothing? I think Nicholas has got an idea. What is he thinking? Wow, rock concert is off. It's a disco now. Let's dance. Jacques, Nicholas, you've done a great job. This party is a huge success.